Hello, everyone, and welcome to LoreLeaf, an application designed to improve user productivity. First, we will begin with what the user sees first, the sign up page. In the sign up page, you must first enter an email and a password and create your account. In order to fully create your account, you must verify your email. You will get sent an email to your email address for you to verify. Once everything is verified, you will be greeted with the login page. In order to enter the library, you hit enter library. You will be greeted with 15 different pre-designed avatars from which you can choose. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll be choosing the mage. Once we sit down, I will hand over the speaking to my co-designer, Richard.
One of the biggest features we've integrated is the Pomodoro timer. And as you just mentioned, once we sat down, we're also able to see the Pomodoro timer, which is this tomato. If you click on it, you're prompted with the Pomodoro timer. And for our demonstration purposes, we have set the minimum timer to 1 minute instead of 20 minutes. We are going to be able to see how the Pomodoro timer contributes to the magic tree as well. Currently, we will receive 2 points every 10 seconds and an additional 8 points every 30 seconds. If we run the timer for 1 minute, we should have contributed a total of 28 points to the tree. And for now, we will go over the features while the timer runs, and Brittany will be covering these.
Awesome. So what we've implemented with LoreLeaf here is basically a live library where multiple students can study together. So initially, right, we signed in, we logged in, and then we sat down. And as you can see that there are currently 4 players right now. If you look at the top left, you can see there's a player count with 4 players. And if you hover over each character, you can see that there is their username, as well as a timer saying how many minutes that they've or hours that they've been studying for. So in our case, we have 4 hours and 19 minutes on the ninja right there. Again, we've gone over the Pomodoro timer very quickly already, but we're just going to go over that very briefly again. It does add points to the tree, so every single 10 seconds it'll add a point. If we hover over the tree right now, you can see it's at 150 points. Initially, we were actually at 140 points, but now we're at, again, you can see that it just updated and it got to 160 points. So this kind of creates an environment where all the students can kind of work together and contribute to a growing tree in the middle of the library, and it kind of motivates them to continue to return to the website and keep working towards an essentially larger goal. We also have a very cozy aesthetic right here. As you can see, there's also a cat in the little corner right there that is sleeping right now. We've kind of just designed a very peaceful environment for students to study and work.
Okay, so this is what it looks like once the timer runs out, meaning that your study session has been completed. It will prompt you with a friendly message to just a reminder to take a break. Thank you for listening, and this was LoreLeaf.